Yo, what is up, guys? It's you Dizzle here. So I'm walking outside, right? Y'all about to see? Don't ask me. Don't ask me, bro. Look, I'm walking, right? And about over there. Come on. There is a bee's nest in my backyard. Yes, y'all heard me. Yeah, before y'all see it, go ahead, like, subscribe. I'm just kidding. If y'all want to, though. I mean, I ain't holding y'all back, boys. It's like over here. Oh, it's right there. See it? It's right there. Whoa! 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 Yo. Yo. Y'all saw that, right? Dog. It's like all the way over there. That's scary. Oh my god. Yeah, but yeah. That's a pen. Anyways, it's been your boy. I don't even know my outro yet, but it's crazy. But it's been your boy. God bless y'all and peace.